Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss how to add layout manager and we prepare a first QGIS map. So it is very important. So listen carefully this video to end and like, share, subscribe my channel. Let's start. Here is our QGIS. We add map. Here is our path and we add as per drag. We add it. Here is our map. We categorize it. For categorize, we double click map and we go to symbology. Here is symbology and we select here categorize. After categorize, we select here categorize name. We select here name underscore 2 because our category is available on name 2 and we select here color as per our requirement. We select here color, apply and we classify. You see in downside we classify and our classify layer is here and we apply and OK. Our classify map is here and we add layout manager. For layout manager we go to project and we go to layout manager and we click here create and we write here my first map, my first map and OK. Here is our layout manager. We insert a map. For insert map we go to add map. We click here add map and we drag corner first to last. Our map is here and after it for insert text we go to add label and we press here and here is our property and we go to item property and we write here name my first map. After it we go to downside and we click here font. Here is font property. We select here font as per your requirement. We select style bold and other property. Here is our size. We write here 60 and color. If you want to change color you select here color and OK. Our map test complete and we go to legend. Here is our legend. We click here legend and we drag here legend. Here is our legend and we adjust as per our requirement. After legend we go to north arrow. Here is north arrow. We click here and we put north arrow. Here is our north arrow and we adjust as per requirement and after it we go to scale and we add scale. Here is scale and we adjust as per our requirement. Our map is ready for export. For export map we go to layout and we go to export as PDF and if you want to export an image you select here image. We select export as PDF and we give path and we write here my first map and save our map, export, we check it, we open it. Here is our first map, our layout manager and first map creation process complete successfully. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.